An ADU is accessory dwelling unit and has become one of the most popular solutions to housing in the United States. In California, over the last decade, they significantly reduced the amount of regulation for a structure like this so that people could provide homes either as extra rental properties or for family members. We constructed this to provide housing for my mother, who is elderly.
Well, I wanted to downsize. At my age, that's what I wanted to do. Initially, my involvement was through the computer because Eric engaged the services of Murray Lampert, a top building company, and selection of design and materials and different patterns. Allison engaged me every step of the way.
This is an 825 square foot structure, but it actually looks more like 1,000 because of the spatial considerations. Micah was great. He took the ball and ran with it and came up with this really great combination.
It always appealed to me, high ceilings. It gives a sense of space, of openness, and I like that. I feel involved. I'm very much part of the process, and that's very respectful and meaningful to me, especially at my age. I am 94 years old.
The aesthetic features like the front of the home, the large door and the elevated windows, and there's a column that divides the structure that looks very modern. It looks like a Guggenheim museum piece, and it's a different color. And it was a pleasant surprise. And I could tell that the tradesmen, whether it was stucco, framers, concrete guys, they all kind of fell in love with the design. You could tell. They were really excited about, the features of this, this small little project.
I felt a real sense of integrity there and commitment, and I was impressed. And it was easy, it was fun. Oh, I would give this experience a 10 for sure. Plus, 10 plus.